Ready?
Okay.
The left subclavian artery.
Is this one, the small one that goes into the aorta, and then this is the right one.
The lesser omentum is
In the stomach
right here.
is the kind of like that connection in the stomach,
I think that covers it.
and then the lingual foramen is found in the tongue, and it's this tissue that connects the tongue from the bottom of the mouth.
The liver.
The liver is basically
This.
all this, and the lungs.
Lungs right here.
We're here, all these things. So basically,
The left anterior lobe. This is the right left.
okay, so this is the, in the left side you have the anterior, middle, and
Posterior.
posterior. And then in the right side you have the you have the anterior, middle, and posterior.
And then the mediastinal lobe.
Is this thing in the center. This one.
And then the
Oral pharynx.
no, the mesenteries. This one.
Oh, mesenteries are these kind of veins that connect the small intestines together. These attachments, like tissue sound. You heard that? They connect the small intestines together.
Right. The oral pharynx is in the back of the mouth.
Is this one? Basically, that goes up the mouth. The ovary. Well,
We don't have an ovary.
we have a male cat, so somewhere on the reproductive section.
Right. Pancreas.
Yeah.
Wasn't it right here?
Yeah, it's the inside part of it. Right here, this kind of fold.
I think it was that was right here.
Right here. You see, it's this one right there.
All right. The penis.
The penis. It's basically this part right there. I'm touching that.
The pericardium.
This one?
No, we threw it away.
Oh, it's the
Clear,
tissue,
yeah.
clear connective tissue kind of thing that holds the heart together and protects it from other outside things that can hurt it. So
The
we took it out.
pyloric sphincter. Pyloric sphincter.
Oh, yeah. That's located inside the stomach. Lost my sticky.
Does it connect the small intestine and the stomach?
It's the other tube that connects the stomach to the small intestines and allows the food to go outside that area. So it's inside somewhere. You just have to look for it, and it closes. And that's what we took out of it. It's disgusting. Okay.
The rectum
The rectum is this part.
connects the small intestine. I mean the large intestine.
This there. Here.
The renal artery
The
and the renal vein. Isn't that up here?
No, it's in the back, right? This is the vein, and the artery is next to it. It's over here, but since it doesn't have the coloring in it, it's very hard to see it. But it goes in the back, like towards the spine of the cat. That's the vein, the big one.
I thought it was
Yeah.
like the one that connected to the trees. Because you could see it, it's red and then it's black.
Somewhere in here. Okay. And then you have
The
the
right something artery.
brachiocephalic artery, which is no, you have the red. Oh, it's the red ones right here that goes in the aorta, right there. And then after the right,
The rugage.
the rugae is the folds inside the stomach that are located inside. Basically, all these folds, kind of like things inside of it.
The ripples.
The ripples of it.
The salivary glands. The submandibular.
Is this one. And the
I thought it was behind it, more by the ear.
parotid is towards the ear.
Isn't it right there?
Yeah.
And the parotid.
Parotid is this thing. I thought this was the parotid.
I don't remember.
Yeah, this is the parotid. And then,
The submandibular is this one.
yeah, this is the parotid right here in the back towards the ear. And then the submandibular gland is this one right here that connects in the, like at the bottom, kind of in the throat. And
The
then
scrotal sac.
in the bottom towards the male's.
Wait, I thought it was the.
Okay. Well, she checks. It's the whole thing right here.
This part.
That protects the testes.
The soft palate. It's in the back. Right here. The spleen. Isn't that this?
Yeah, it's this huge thing. Cats have a bigger one than humans, so it's like 3 times bigger than humans. Ours would be like tiny.
Okay, the body of the stomach.
This is
The body, the fundus, and the pylorus.
the fundus is located at the top of the stomach, and then it's the body, and then it's the pyloric, like the bottom of the stomach.
Okay, the greater curvature is this thing.
Right here, where we slit it to open the stomach, it's a greater curvature where it curves. The lesser.
No, it doesn't have lesser.
Okay.
The superior vena cava is right here.
On the top.
Yeah. The testes,
These two.
the thyroid cartilage, isn't it the butterfly?
Yeah. The butterfly shaped one right here?
Yeah. Wait, your hand's in the way.
Sorry.
The
Thyroid gland.
the thyroid gland doesn't have it.
And then we don't have it. And then the thymus gland, which we don't have, I think, either.
The trachea is right here.
This part right here.
The uterus is the uterus. The uterus is no, it's
Isn't that this tube that connects to the kidney right there? It would connect to the kidney and allow pee-pee to go down.
urethra. It's right here. Right here, that one.
Right there. That,
The urinary bladder.
it's this whole bag right there.
Sinus.
Your genital sinus.
Do we have it?
That's in the female, which we don't have.
The uterine horn. That's okay.
That's all females. That's difference.
The vas deferens.
That's behind the. That's the little white silvery thingy on the side.
Right here. This is the vas deferens. It
And
kind of
the-
goes up the, and then behind the bladder and down the penis.
Okay, with the ventricle, left or right? What ventricle? What ventricle is she talking about?